Hello, good morning. Today I decided to transplant my papaya seedlings just 2 months after their seed was propagated. So here I am preparing the area where I will plant the papaya seedlings. So I am buloing it, bulo the grass, bulo the grass because it is very grassy so that papaya can grow properly. So we'll remove the grass. So I will speak English, only Carabao English, so that everybody can understand because we're not good at American English. So we will use only Carabao English and very good because there are also plenty Carabao grass over here. So here is my papaya seedling. So I'm cutting the what do you call this, plastic bag, and then I'm removing it. So you can see there are plenty roots inside already. So I will cover it with soil, just like that. But before that, I will add chicken manure in her surroundings so that she will grow fat, mataba. Chicken manure lang yung ginagamit ko na abono pag nagtatanim ako ng kung ano-anong mga tanim, and it's very effective. So I will dig the soil. I will dig the soil because the soil is lacking, missing. And I will continue to cover it, the chicken manure, because it is very smelly. So that like that, only like that. So almost done. And already one papaya transplanted. So I will also plant another one over here because they said if your papaya is boy, then she needs to have a girl. So maybe this papaya that I planted first is a boy, so I planted another one so that he will not be lonely. He has a girl papaya in her side. Char. So the same procedure, cleaning the grass, cleaning the area, removing the grass, digging the soil, just like that, my friend, just like that. And then almost finish digging the soil. Continue. Too much hot, but no problem. We just continue to make effort so that someday we can eat papaya, because papaya is so yummy, especially when it's cold and sweet. Almost done, almost finished the land preparation. Then I already get the another papaya seedling, and then I will put it in the ground and then cover it with soil, and hopefully someday it will bear fruits, sweet fruits. This seedling I only buy it the papaya before in the city market, and then the seedling I propagated, and then here I cover it with bukong because it will prevent the chickens to kakha the area. Peace.